This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Well-maintained affordable townhome in the heart of Virginia Beach, Great Neck area. Open concept floor plan offers vaulted ceiling in the living room with a fireplace and ceiling fan opens to the dining area. Kitchen offers good cabinet and counter space, an electric range and pantry. 2-bedroom suites are about the same size, either can be used as a primary bedroom with walk-in closets. Utility closet for washer/dryer is in the first floor hallway. Privacy fenced enclosed garden patio with 2 storage sheds can be accessed from the downstairs bedroom suite. New vinyl flooring can be found in the living room, dining area and first floor bedroom. Skylights? No PUA fees. Home warranty plan. 12 minutes to the Oceanfront. Great location near Hilltop Shopping Center, in the sought-after Cox High School district. Easy access to Interstate 264 connecting to all of the major arteries throughout Hampton Roads. Call to see it today. Price to sell, hurry won't last long. For more information,